वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावूद आनी भलायकेन. So today I'm going to show you all how to make beef pulao. Yes, beef pulao. Beef biryani is already there, but now I'm going to show you all how to make beef pulao. And for that we need 1/4 kg of cooked beef meat. Okay, I have already shown you all how to marinate and how to cook that. So that is one, and I have cut it in a cube chunks. Then what I will be adding is, this is one whole brinjal. Okay, then I have taken around 6 French beans, 6 French beans, then around 3 carrots, and that's it, and around 2 potatoes. Okay, 1 onion, 1 tomato. Then I will be adding some, please continuously watch this procedure as I am showing. So this is around like little bit of, so you can say like around 1 tablespoon of Pudina and 1 tablespoon of coriander, or in grams if you want, then 10 grams of Pudina and 20 grams of coriander leaves, 2 chilies, green chilies, a small piece of ginger, and around 8 cloves of garlic, and I have grinded it to a fine paste. What I will do, I will show you. Then we need for our pulao, I have taken basmati rice. So I have taken 1.5 cup. Okay, so this is 1.5 cup of rice. Because this is pulao, so it's like to give a flavor. Then in what I had cooked, the broth I will be using for a pulao. So around, like I will measure, we need for pulao around, this is 1.5 cup, so we need around 3 cups of broth. And if broth is less, then we can add water to that. If you want to use Maggi cube, then use Maggi cube. Then this much Pudina will go later to garnish. So now let's start the procedure. We need oil for frying our vegetables. So first thing we will do this. So take around 1 tablespoon of oil and we will saute it. So I am taking 2 bay leaves and a small piece of cinnamon stick. A small piece, and around 5 cloves and around 8 peppercorns. So first add this so that the vegetable gets flavor to this. And we will saute this up. So this is done. So we will add half onion to this so that our vegetable also gets flavor, and half tomato, and remaining we will give for our beef also. I will add our vegetables to this along with the potatoes. Once the vegetable cooks, it becomes very less in quantity. So don't worry how much. If you don't want to add so much for your pulao, then you can make it less. Okay, this, and we'll cook this covered till the vegetables are cooked. So mostly potato, and I will add masala to this, basic masala for this. The first process for this pulao is this. You can make it simple way. There are lots of pulao recipes. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoon of coriander powder and 2 teaspoon of red chili, Kashmiri red chili powder. Salt to taste for this. Mix this up. So brinjal will release its water. So we will cook this till the vegetables are cooked. We cover this and cook in no flame. In between you have to stir the vegetable. So in 5 minutes the vegetable is cooked. Okay, so what I will do, I will remove out and keep aside with all vegetables. Now in that same oil, I will add little more oil. Okay, little more oil, like around half tablespoon of oil, and add our onion and tomato. And fry this nicely. Now to this we will add a masala. And fry this nicely along with the beef. And our beef. And just cook this for few minutes. It's already cooked, but just so that masala and everything goes nicely. Cover and cook. Water we will add little, which is there for the mixer. So around 1 tablespoon of water. Cover this and cook this for 10 minutes. So my broth is 2 cups. So I am going to add 1 more cup of water into the broth. So the measurement is 3 cups. So now after 5 minutes we will remove our meat also aside and keep. Now we will add this broth into this and give a boil. Already it is hot. Add salt to taste. So how much salt you want to add? If you want to add our Maggi cube, then you can add. So we will give a boil to this, and to this we will add half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I am adding 1 teaspoon. So what color you want. So we are going to get 2 colors mostly. So that is the plan. And now we'll mix this. So boil is come, and we will add a rice to this. Washed and soaked rice. At least Vana, you soak your rice, especially the Basmati one. Now we will mix this, and let's add our vegetable as per your desire. So the flavor of veg also goes to this. And some you can garnish it on top. Now we'll cover this and cook till our rice is cooked on low flame. So I have added around 2 big spoons of this serving spoon vegetable. Remaining 2 spoons I will add on top. See, still time. So at this time we have to spread our vegetable and the beef. So another 1 tablespoon I will add. And our beef. Okay, then we will add our coriander leaves to this. Sorry, not coriander, Pudina. So I'm garnishing it with over here now, so the flavor more. Only Pudina. Now we'll cover it and let this get cooked till the water is nicely soaked and done. Okay. So here is our pulao ready. So we will leave this now. I'll switch off the gas. Okay, and we will leave in this only and let it get cooked. It's already cooked. Rice is cooked. So we leave this for a dum. तर आता आम्ही एका बॉन करूया. ओके, आणि hope you all will enjoy this Goan Beef Pulao. Try this recipe, Goan Beef Arroz, and let me know. Thank you. So put off the gas and leave this for 15 minutes before serving to your family.
Lovely Goan Beef Arroz. Yummy, tasty, moist Goan Beef Pulao. Enjoy.